All right, Mama. Which of your two surprise Doorables that I got you are you going to open?
I don't know. Do I eeny, meeny, miny, or mo?
You can eeny, meeny, miny, you one. But the thing is, if you do that, you always get whichever one is the second one you pick.
I could change it up.
Okay.
You mean instead of eeny, meeny, miny, you?
Yeah.
Or you switch them around. I'll close my eyes and we can shuffle.
Okay.
Shuffle,
Close your eyes.
shuffle.
Mom, close your eyes. I will shuffle it, okay? All right, Mom. Keep your eyes closed. Pick one.
Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, you. That was the one I was thinking of starting with anyway.
See, sometimes as soon as you do that, Mom, it actually tells you what you really want.
Well, it was the one that came out of the box first, so, because I was torn. Okay, so this one has 8 exclusive figures.
There are no bonus figures in this one.
Yes.
But we will be playing the Guess the Doorable guessing game. For everybody's reference, these are, you can keep working on your doors.
Okay.
Mom's going to keep opening her doors over here. For everybody's reference, these are all of the characters that you can get. You get the Retro Mr. Incredible, Retro Elastigirl, Frozone, Dash Violet, Jack, Incrediboy Syndrome, and then Bomb Voyage. For everybody's reference, we already have a Dash and a Jack. This is our Jack, who is on fire. And I will find our Dash while Mom feels around.
Well, I think actually behind door number 1, I believe that this is Jack.
Okay, here's another Jack here. And then we have a Dash in here somewhere too.
And here he is, baby Jack.
Oh, look at how cute he is.
He's very cute.
So now we have 3 Jacks, everybody. Here's all 3 of our Jacks. Which Jack is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. All right, Mama, who do you think the next one is?
Behind door number 2 is, let me see, this I think this one is Mr. Incredible.
Okay.
Let's see. No, it's actually Incrediboy.
No, that's Incredible. That's Mr. Incredible.
Oh, it is Mr. Incredible. You're
Yeah.
right. I'm sorry.
Good job, Mom.
Mr. Incredible, you are correct. All right. Behind door number 3, we have...
Is it going to be Jack's other parent?
I believe so. So we shall see. Oh, no. Wait a minute. No, I think it's Frozone.
Okay.
I believe Frozone. I am correct. Frozone.
It's a lot easier when you don't have many options, isn't it?
This is true. Very true.
Although nothing beats you attempting to figure out all the Mickey Mouses.
That was a random guess, and I really sucked at it.
Yes. All right, Mama, who do you think it is?
Let's guess. Let's see. Do we have hands sticking out?
For reference, here is what we have left while she is guessing. We have Elastigirl, Dash, Violet, Bomb Voyage, and Syndrome / Incrediboy.
I'm not feeling arms, so I'm kind of wondering if this is a Violet. So let's see. Nope, you were correct, Rachel, from earlier. It is Mrs. Incredible.
You are Elastigirl! Pull yourself together! You know what this set is missing, Mom?
Yes.
What is it missing? Who's it missing?
Oh, your favorite.
What? What do you want?
Edna Mode.
Edna Mode is my favorite.
She is your favorite.
Because she's sassy.
They should have an Edna Mode.
They do have an Edna Mode in one of the collections.
Just not in this one.
No. I want Edna Mode.
Real arms.
Big head, little
Okay, I think this is Violet.
Think that's Violet?
Nope, I'm wrong.
Who is it?
Incrediboy.
And so this is Incrediboy before he becomes Syndrome with his crazy hair.
Yes.
Okay, Mama, who's next?
Incrediboy was okay as Incrediboy, and then he became...
No, he was kind of a weird fan, like a crazy fanboy.
Yes.
So he's
kind of misunderstood.
Incredi fanboy.
Yeah. Okay. I think it is funny that they have Bomb Voyage, though. That one kind of cracks me up.
They have Bomb Voyage in the Incredibles Lego game.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You'd probably enjoy that game. It's silly. You just get to smash stuff.
Silly is always good.
Yeah.
Oh, here he is, as a matter of
Who's
fact.
Bon
I
Voyage?
think that's hilarious.
He's very funny.
The mime.
All right, Mom. We have left.
We have Violet and...
We only have Violet and Dash.
Yes.
Which one is it?
Dash. Yep. Here he is. It's Dash.
And I bet you will never guess what the last one is.
What could it be?
Gasp!
Oh, gasp. What could it be? It has to be Violet. Here is Violet. Actually, look how cute her eye is. The one that is exposed.
Very cute. So everybody can see, because obviously this is a collection peek. Here are all of our characters. We got Jack, Bon Voyage, Dash, Violet. Oops, all you see is my thumb. Violet. Oh, she is cute. Elastigirl. Incrediboy. Yes, I am just yeeting them. Frozone. He's actually pretty cool. And Mr. Incredible. So, I think Mom wants to keep going because I think she's enjoying herself.
I love opening these. It's fun.
Yes.
So this one has a...
Mom, we don't have time on this video, so we're going to do that in another video.
Alrighty.
Yeah, so say bye to everyone. We will come back in the next couple of days and you will get to see us open this one.